Hi everybody, my name is Christina. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this custom heart-shaped ear cuff. So this is the front of the cuff and this is the back. So when I made this one, I used my fake gold wire. I used this Anisa's jewelry wire, and I use this wire whenever I'm playing around with different shapes and designs and I don't want to waste my real gold or my real sterling silver wire. So this is the prototype, and to make the wire I'm going to use my real sterling silver wire, and I got this from wirejewelry.com, and this is a 20 gauge round dead soft of 0.925 sterling silver wire. These are my wire shapers. So you can see it has different sizes of the circles, right here, right here, right here, right here, and then even at the top. So if I want to make a little loop or a big loop, I can. And this is from Fiskars. Oh no, I'm sorry. These are from Fiskars. These are from Fiskars. These are, what does it say? Crate tools, and this is just a candle, but I'm mostly using it for the metal top in case I need to like bang the wire on it with this thing to make it straighter. I might not use it, but I just like to have it around just in case. And this is like a plastic mallet. I mean, this part is plastic, this part is not, but yeah, it's a mallet. And this is a mandrel. This is what I use to shape the wire. I mainly just use it for like this area right here because I never use anything like this big for like any shape. Like nobody's ear is like this big. So this is my ruler. I'm going to use the inch side, and I'm going to measure the wire out to 5 inches. So I'm going to place it at the tip right here. Okay, I'm gonna straighten the wire out a little bit just to make it easier because she's just so curly. So I'm gonna put that right there. I'm trying to keep it as close to the ruler as possible to make sure it's straight and I get an exact measurement. So I'm gonna hold it here, and you can see the 5. So I'm gonna take my nippers and I'm going to cut at 5. Okay. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So then I'm going to take this wire and I'm going to bend it in half. Like that. And I'm gonna hold the ends like that. Gonna press these, and then I'm going to use my shapers. I'm going to use this little box part in the middle, and I'm going to use this to kind of smush the tip together like that. Okay, so this is going to be the top of the heart. So I'm going to take these top wires, and I gotta hold it because like the wire kind of wants to bend. So let me do this. Okay, so I'm going to take the smaller part because you can see this one is bigger than this one. I'm going to take the smaller part and I'm going to use that to shape this to make, you know, half of the heart. Alright, not that part. Okay. Alright, so you can see we got that down. Now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, so you can see we kind of got the McDonald's arches going on here. And then I'm gonna take the bottom wires and I'm gonna like cross them over each other like this. You know, to make a heart shape. You can see. And I'm gonna kind of pull this down. It's handmade, so it won't be like 100% perfect, but it looks really good, as you can already tell. So I'm gonna take the top part of this candle and I'm gonna hold this down, and I'm gonna take my mallet and I'm just gonna hit this like this, just to make sure it's flat. Since I did, you know, like shape it by hand, I kind of want to make sure this part is flat. So now, I do that. So now I'm going to make a loop at the ends. So I'm going to take the smaller part of this and I'm going to curl it in. And I'm going to hold it so I don't lose my spot. And I'm just going to like keep turning it until I make a loop. And I want to close the loop. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. So I'm going to take this, curl it in, loop. So there are no free edges. No free edges. And then I'm going to take the inside of this and I'm going to stick it here. And then I'm just going to kind of curl it to make a circle. So I'm going to curl it in like this. Shorten it up. And I'm going to do the same to the other side too. So grab it in the middle. Like this. And now you see like they're, you know, even. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to curl it back. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this side. I'm gonna curl it back. Because these are going to go behind the ear. I said curl it, I meant bend it back. Actually, let me readjust this front part. There we go. Looks more even. So yeah, back to pushing this part back. Cool. I know this part looks a little crazy, but bear with me. I'm just still like adjusting it so that it's back. Right, I'm gonna bend this part back. Like that, and I'm gonna press on it like that. I'm gonna have to bend this some more so it's even. Hit this side. Boom, there we go, there we go, there we go. All right, minor technical difficulties, but here we have it, a real sterling silver heart-shaped ear cuff. This is the back, this goes behind the ear, and this goes in the front. So let me show you guys how I put this on. I have these two back parts. Those are gonna go behind the ear, and this is heart, it's gonna go in front. So I'm going to put the heart at the front, and I like to put this one at the top. And I'm just gonna press it into the ear. And there you have it. It is a heart cuff. Pretty cool, right?